Hi, Mother, Uncle Nick. Happy birthday. I hope you're enjoying your day today, having fun in your party. Um, wish we could be there with you guys, but unfortunately, we weren't able to make it. Have fun and hope you have a fruitful and long and happy life ahead. We love you.
Hi, Ma'am. Hi, Uncle Nick. Happy birthday. Surprise ba kayo? Well, pasensya na po at hindi kami nakauwi. Bigla kasi kaming ginawang lola eh. But anyway, I'm sure you're enjoying your special day and thanks for our friends and loving relatives for taking the time to celebrate with you. Um, Take care and we miss you so much and we hope to see you soon. Stay healthy and be happy. Happy
Bye. Happy
birthday!
birthday. See you soon.